Guys, welcome back again to my channel and come with me to my 12 market. I have been talking about this market in a lot of my vlogs that I'm visiting soon because I need to buy tomatoes and other fresh produce in bulk. But let me state it in the beginning of this vlog that I am not going to this market again. No. Bumsy, I enjoy your market vlogs. Bumsy, I love your market vlogs. Bumsy, please go back to my 12 market. I am not doing it. Not at the detriment of my health. I'm actually not going back to this market. Honestly, I enjoyed all the produce that I bought, but I fought with Aburus. I entered Potopoto. It was not funny on this day. So I'm with Onyi Peperenzi and another of my friends. So we are three going to the market on this day. You guys, look at me just feeling myself, not even knowing what is waiting for me ahead. Your girl so shaky this day. Hey, I said they were dragging me. Morning. You guys already know that we're heading to my 12th market. Me, Onyi, Chacha baby. And for some reason, the way I usually do market vlog, I just went down.
We might not spoil our motto.
I just went down.
Anything this year, the money I go collect. That your uniform that you turn to.
For some reason, I just went down to actually video Third Mainland Bridge that we're going and all. I could not wind up again. The breeze that was even blowing me. I could not wind up again. All for content, all for you guys. See what I had to
see your hand there.
You guys, journey has not started and we're already having car troubles. All for content too, for you guys. Let me just wind down and take video clips, showing you guys the road and everything. Like, the journey to the market and all. My glass side was not winding up back. I mean, like, we literally had to park on the road and this took us like 20 minutes to slowly fix it up. My darlings, in fact, going first, police had already stopped us for one or two things. I mean, you guys, okay, we're in the market now. Let's go.
It's not 1,000.
We'll go park now. Better say we even park safe. That's contract the thing they go. You guys, there is no my love in this market. So a friend of mine gave me a contact to actually call when I get to the market and all. I'm calling the person. The person does not even understand what I'm talking. I've explained, but Chacha baby has her contact as is coming.
Yeah, man, cash rolling out.
We got to the market, so. And what they call it, there is this car park in fact at Jonah Crown car park. About 1,000. You have to pay 1,000 to be at the car park. But yeah, you guys, I'm here to shop tomatoes for months. Tatashi, bag of everything, even okra. I hear that it's cheaper now. I'm here to shop for a lot of things. Myself, Onyi Peperenzi, who also sent me some things to get for her. I have to buy green pepper, different. Is it for West Cap? No, I'm buying this again now. You even do tiro this morning.
You know me now. I got to keep my steam.
You guys, so we just got to the market and let's go shopping. I'm trying to see if I can actually do like what they call it to a. Let me hide this my chain because my husband had warned me already. I'm trying to. Wow, you're connecting at 13 before you come pick us.
Abby, you go direct me where I go there.
I sabi the market. I don't come here before now. Anyways, we're getting down right now and you guys see my small purse I usually carry to the market. Let's just be going. So this is where we parked, Jonah car park, and you pay 1,000 to have your car park.
Hi guys, so this is me, Chacha baby.
For market, we blow every other place around. Just see me dancing, not even knowing what came for me in this market. They poured me poto, they stoned. Hey God, I beg. It was so messy, dirty, draining. Everybody was looking for ways to cheat people, like even the Alaboro people that we carried into the market. They will go and meet people ahead of us and tell them to actually add price. If maybe a basket of tomato is supposed to be 15k, they will say they should add 18,000 there, so they will give them the money on top. But anyways, we've gotten to the tomato section, and trust me, I started figuring what the guy was doing. So I started pricing, arguing. See, I wish I can point out that guy. I wish I actually captured him on this camera. Like literally, this is the full he's the one I'm standing close to with this malam hat. This boy.
Tomato, how market today? Did they sell? Did they sell well? Gonna come back. Yeah, Pepe. You come all the way to myself, come by 9,000. How much you come before?
And we they resell, How much you want to pay? Child, which basket may I carry? So I ended up buying the basket that you can see them trying to lift up for 18,000 naira. Yes, but that guy stepped out and told this man to charge me 23,000 naira just to take the difference on it. Hey, humans. And look at him here assisting and trying to help out. Anyways, this is the onion section, and I'll just you guys what happened here.
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
You guys, we've not even started, and Onion is already tired. She was like, Boomsy, she say I don't go break my fast, drink more, I beg, make I get energy for this market. But anyways, I ended up buying a basin of purple onions for 18,000 and a basin of white onions for 18,000 as well. Headed to the tatashe section, and I bought a bag of tatashe for 18,000 naira. A basket of shombo was 10,000 naira, and he was just sharing it to put it in a bag for me.
No, 5,000.
Okra, my absolute best buy for today. Look at this basket that he's turning into. I bought this size for 1,500. I bought moi leaf for 1,000 naira. Such a good buy. So custard paint of millet, custard paint of yellow corn and guinea corn was all going for 3,300 each. I also bought beans, white beans for 7,000 naira. You guys, I was really tired at this point.
You had another one for me.
We came to the vegetable section, and a kilo of green pepper was 4,500. Mixed bell pepper was 5,000 naira. And yeah, I was just buying as much as I could buy because they were so fresh. Look at this. You will not find this where I'm coming from. At this point, I am now extremely tired. This market has drained me. Two kg bag of carrots was going for 2,500. See, I could not even price. I say pack it. You guys, I bought this tomato paste cup size of ginger for 8,500 naira. I bought these cucumbers, I think for 8 pieces was about 2,000 naira. See our load, and it's not everything. No. It's not everything. You guys, this guy that pushed the load to the car was so annoying. Oh my god. At a point, he would do as if he does not hear English.
You guys, breaking news is that I'm never coming to this market again.
You are coming. You will come. But man, don't let us rest for the past 3 weeks.
You're the one that
you are coming back to this market next month.
And you stress us the most.
So
what? See, as much as I would love to entertain you guys, I know my health is very important. This market is, I don't know if you can. I thought I could even fight. Coming to this car park
come here every day.
No, it will affect their health.
Most people that source for this, they come here
Okay, yeah, that's true.
They already have customers. Okay.
That is well loaded. You guys, it's just what they call this side. You guys, it's just no. I've just even coming to the car park safe to even clear from the car park. Just I better me give this guy money 1.5. This other one, let me just give him money. No mind after I don't give you, plus the Alaboro people that are here are just terrible people. I'm not even going to lie to you. They are not good people at all. They are not good people at all. They are not good people at all.
No,
To be very honest with you, they are just big cheats. But anyways, let's just see. We'll see if we can get to K2. But see, the load is already so much. We can't even. But let's just see how we do it. You guys, the market continues. So we're actually now in K2 Market. It's not even funny, honestly. But I just want to just do everything once and for all. Let me just buy the pineapple and orange and possibly watermelon that brought me here. Let's be going. Child, why they laugh for bag?
Mama, with all this load, where are you going to put fruit? Mama already lap
You carry
12 dozen of pineapple. See our load. I'm literally sitting by the door. Oh.
Okay.
Walking into K2 Market, and literally the avocado lady I bought avocado from now cheated me. You guys, I bought 25 pieces of avocado, 7.5, and she literally made me pay 500 naira extra, saying that is for matching ground. I bought pineapple, about 12 pieces, for I think 5,500, and then I bought this very sweet tangerine for 50 pieces, 6,000 naira. At this point, I'm done with this market.
We are done from the K2 Market. The touts here are too much. Jesus, if you even see Chacha,
Chacha is lost in the pineapple. My God, I'm in a pineapple one filled with tomatoes, drink. I
guys, we've gotten back home, right? But I actually cannot take these things upstairs. The flies are too much. I think when I'm editing this video, I'm gonna be telling you guys how much I bought the basket of tomatoes and not see sad there. So it's not possible. We want to sit down here, fetch water, and wash what we need to wash that we're taking to blend. This guy really
Me, I won't like that. It's not hard to
clean out, Sabi.
All hands on deck. We are all just cleaning the tomato tatashation bowl, just a lot of things that we bought. Onyi also is doing with her girl, Chacha baby as well. So we're just gisting, cleaning, and literally we did this thing till late into the night. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next market vlog that is definitely not my 12.
and it might be the boy that will do that. What happened? She can't go meet friends.